Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to replay your footage via full screen preview in Adobe Premiere. To get started, if you use multiple monitors, you may want to check out the quick tip at the end of this video, because that info may be more beneficial to you. For single monitor users, there are two shortcuts that will come in handy for viewing your video in full screen. For the first method, ensure you have your video preview window selected. Then press the tilde key on your keyboard, which is located between the escape and tab key on your keyboard. Now this makes the video preview window take up the whole screen, but let's say you want the video itself to take up the whole screen. Press the tilde key again to return to your default layout. With the video preview panel selected again, now press Ctrl plus the tilde key to switch to a true full screen video preview. To stop and start your video in this mode, you can use the spacebar key. And to return to your default layout, just press Ctrl tilde again. A quick pro tip for those of you using multiple monitors: if you want your video preview to automatically play back in true full screen on one of your second screens, go to the Edit menu, click Preferences, then click Playback. Under Video Device, tick the screen which you'd like your video to always preview from in full screen, then click OK. Now your video will preview in full screen as you edit the timeline on your primary screen, negating the need for you switching in and out of full screen mode. To disable this feature, repeat the same steps and untick the box. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.